How would you feel if your child was dating one of your friends?
Baby, I would feel so sorry about losing my best friend. But the family would probably feel even worse at the funeral. I'm feeling judged. I don't like it. But you know what Jesus said? Judge your motherfucking self. Well, honey, they saying that August Alsina then came out as one of the queers. Now, baby, you know I don't usually do the Slim Jims, but it's an exception to every rule. Have you ever put long legs in the air? It's a ministry all itself. August, you into the girls? Let me know what's going on, honey. Holla at your girl. I'm available. August, I can be the Jada to your will. The boyfriend is cute too, honey. They kind of look like twins, but baby, August, if y'all ever decide to get into the OF life, I'm available as a videographer. I'm available for production, advertisement, in any capacity that y'all would need me, Fluffer. Holla at your girl. Big man bucking like a silverback gorilla. A baka. If it's, then it's lean, then it's. Beware. They out here with these fake pages. They still doing these fake pages of your girl, honey. Talk about they psychics. Trying to get people money offering tarot readings and shit, bitch. I'm not psychic. Psychotic. Not psychic. It ain't me. My friend just said it's probably one of the Nigerians scamming to be me. I don't know. Probably is, but this is a message for the Nigerians. Bitch, I'm broke. So whatever money you is getting out of these people, send your girl some.